There's nothing worse than turning on the tap and getting no hot water. Your water heater works hard every day, but like any appliance, problems can happen. Common issues homeowners face include no hot water or not enough hot water, strange rumbling or popping noises, leaks around the tank, or rusty discolored water. These problems are often caused by sediment buildup, worn components, or aging systems. The good news is regular maintenance can help prevent costly repairs and keep your system running efficiently. Here are a few simple tips. Flush your tank once a year to remove sediment buildup. Set your water heater's thermostat to around 120 degrees for efficiency and safety. Check for leaks, corrosion, or unusual noises. And finally, schedule routine inspections to catch small issues early. Routine maintenance helps extend the life of your water heater and keeps energy costs in check. With a little upkeep, you can enjoy reliable hot water when you need it most. But if something does go wrong, trust the experts at Roto-Rooter for plumbing peace of mind.